I purchased a 34 by 84 fiberglass window screen, just the cheapest one about that they have on the market. As you can see, I laid it down on the floor, put the register on top, used a sharp knife to trim it out, and you can't even tell that there's a screen there, and it looks great. It does have a little bit of flexibility. There's a ring that sits down about an inch underneath here, and that would put it about an inch down. It'll be easier to vacuum, clean, less dust. It only cost $11 for the window screen.